Well, that's something you don't see every day. This one came in to the garage today with an alarming rattling noise coming from the engine, and it was overheating. So I switched it off quickly and had a look, took the timing cover off, and I could see lots of bits of metal, lots of bits of ball bearing, and it transpired that the water pump had got itself very seized, and the belt was slipping across the water pump face so quickly that it must have heated the belt up to the point where it had blued the pump pulley and the bearings. It got them so hot that it had dried the bearings out and melted the seals. Then the bearings collapsed, so it lost its belt tension, and yet was still running. And all that temperature and all that nastiness, we got some splits in the belt where it's evidently got so hot it's changed the composition of the belt, but it didn't snap. And yeah, it came in running, so, albeit probably not going to be running for a great deal longer. But yeah, I've just started it up and it sounds sweet as a nut, so I think this guy should buy a lottery ticket today.